no dairy, gluten-free fruit pudding. This is a must-try recipe because, as you can see, my bowl has some vibrant, colorful fruits which have lots of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients which we need on daily basis. And also it's budget friendly, which means that you can add fruits of choice. For this recipe, I'm going to be using some watermelon. We have pawpaw, pineapple, we have apples, passion fruits, a lemon, bananas, and mango. So if you have some grapes, you can throw into the recipe as well. Dragon fruit, whichever fruit you can find. So I'll start off by chopping up my watermelon into bite-sized pieces and transferring into a bowl. Once done, I'm going to transfer into my bowl. Next, I'm going to slice my pawpaw and add into the bowl as well. Make sure you chop into the same size. Next, I'm going to grab my pineapple. Remove the core. And chop up. Next, I'm going to peel my bananas and transfer into the bowl as well. Transfer into the bowl. Next, I'm going to add into apples. So I'm going to cut in half and into quarters, remove the seeds, place aside. Cut once more and then into small pieces. And once done, add into the bowl as well. Now, when it comes to apples and bananas, they always oxidize once exposed to oxygen. So you need a lemon, which you're going to squeeze in. Immediately you add in your apples and bananas. The lemon is going to bring out all those nice flavors in the fruits. So next, passion fruit. Just cut in half and squeeze in, and always make sure to wash your fruits. Lastly, I'm going to be peeling 2 mangoes and adding into the bowl. Mangoes are still in season and they're super sweet. Once done, I'm going to pick my next mango. I'm going to remove the flesh of my mangoes from the pit, then cut into the same size as the rest of the fruits. Use a spoon or a salad spoon to toss all the fruits together. You want the lemon to sink in every fruit. You're going to be refrigerating your fruit pudding for around 15 to 20 minutes or until chilled. And let me tell you, all the flavors are going to infuse together. That is the lemon flavor. It's going to bring out every single fruit taste into the fruit pudding. Hence, every mouthful is going to be super delicious. You can serve the fruit pudding over lunch or dinner, or you can enjoy the pudding as a snack.